Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone supports USB OTG or host mode. That determines what peripherals work. Next, get a certified cable or adapter and inspect it for fraying or bent pins so you avoid damage. Plug the cable into the phone gently and into the device. Once you connect, watch for the USB notification. If needed, open Settings and enable File Transfer or OTG. Make sure power levels are safe. Some accessories require external power. Once done with the physical connection, choose the correct USB mode on your phone, File Transfer for storage, MIDI for instruments, PTP for cameras, or charging only if you only need power. Then open the Files app or a compatible third-party manager to browse the mounted drive. Apps may request permission, so tap Allow. Transfer or edit files as needed while monitoring battery impact. Before unplugging, unmount the drive from the notification shade or storage settings to protect data integrity. To finish, confirm the peripheral is supported and that the phone supplies enough power. Many hard drives need a powered hub. If the device isn't detected, try a different cable, test the accessory on another device, then reboot your phone and replug. Also check for an OTG toggle or USB settings you missed. If files still fail to show, use a powered USB hub or the accessory's own power source. That single troubleshooting tip usually resolves most detection and power issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.